Finally from us this evening, the hands. This is a story about health care and about one of the more frightening experiences for people, having surgery. You certainly want to know your surgeon has a good pair of hands. ABC's Judy Muller on the importance of a second pair.
When ophthalmologist Stephen Turner performs eye surgery, he needs a steady hand. He also needs a helping hand. It belongs to 85-year-old Margaret Pickford.
Margaret's got your hand, and if you have any trouble or you feel anxious, you squeeze her hand, and then she'll tell me to stop, and I can talk to you.
Dr. Turner recruited Margaret as a hand holder 6 years ago. Since then, she has held nearly 2,000 hands through high-tech eye operations.
It's a human element, and I think we don't want to get away from that.
Patients undergoing cataract surgery are under local anesthetic and conscious, but they can't see, and they are not supposed to move or talk. It can be frightening and claustrophobic. The touch of a human hand makes a difference.
Patients are less apprehensive. Their blood pressure doesn't shoot up as much. Their pulse is not as rapid.
To the doctor, that's a clinical advantage. To the patient, it's something more.
The touching part. Her warm hands and smooth hands, you know, like she could just hug me and say everything is going to be okay now.
Margaret, who has herself experienced eye surgery, begins preparing the patients before they get to the operating room.
And you just squeeze my hand 2 or 3 times if you need to clear your throat or cough.
Margaret says her services are rarely refused.
1 or 2 times people have thought they didn't want it. When they get on the operating table in there, they decide, well, yes, I guess I'll have a hand holder.
Margaret has trained 4 other volunteers as hand holders, including Ina Crow. Each one has a unique style.
I can literally feel the patient letting go of tension and their nervousness, and they relax.
And what do the volunteers get out of it? For Margaret, a retired school teacher, it's a way of holding on to a lifetime of helping others.
I would like people to see that age-wise it doesn't matter. If you can hold somebody's hand, you can do something for somebody. It's as simple as that.
As simple as that. Judy Muller, ABC News, San Leandro, California.
And that's our report on World News Tonight on